Is your bathroom counter overflowing with expensive creams and serums, but you're still not seeing the results you want? You've tried every technique, every popular product, and still, that perfect, glowing skin seems just out of reach. Well, what if I told you the secret to unlocking your skin as true potential is just in a jar, but also on your plate? That's right, we're going to dive deep into how combining the right skincare techniques with a skin-loving diet can completely transform your complexion. It's not about choosing one over the other. It's about creating a powerful synergy that works from the inside out and the outside in. Let's start with the outside your skincare routine. The number one rule is consistency. You can't expect a miracle overnight. The second rule is using the right products for your skin type. Are you oily, dry, combination, or sensitive? Knowing this is fundamental. A great universal starting point for everyone is the classic trio: cleanse, moisturize, and protect. First up, cleansing. It sounds simple, but so many people get it wrong. You need to cleanse your face twice a day, morning and night. In the morning, you're washing away sweat and oils that built up overnight. At night, you're removing makeup, sunscreen, dirt, and pollutants from the day. Double cleansing at night is a game changer, especially if you wear makeup or SPF. Start with an oil-based cleanser to melt everything away. Then follow up with a gentle, water-based cleanser to deep clean your pores. When you're cleansing, use lukewarm water. Hot water can strip your skin of its natural oils, leaving it dry and irritated. And please, be gentle. No harsh scrubbing. Pat your face dry with a clean towel instead of rubbing. Next, let's talk about targeted treatments. This is where serums come in. Think of serums as concentrated shots of active ingredients. This is where you can really customize your routine. A vitamin C serum in the morning is fantastic. It's a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin from environmental damage, brightens your complexion, and even boosts collagen production. At night, you might consider a retinol. Retinol is the gold standard for anti-aging. It speeds up cell turnover, which helps with fine lines, wrinkles, texture, and even acne. But a word of caution: start slow with retinol. Use it once or twice a week at first to let your skin adjust. And always follow up with a good moisturizer. And that brings us to our third step: moisturizing. Every single skin type needs a moisturizer, even oily skin. When your skin is dehydrated, it can actually overproduce oil to compensate, leading to more breakouts. A moisturizer's job is to hydrate your skin and lock in all the goodness from your serums. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, which draws moisture into the skin, and ceramides, which help repair your skin's natural barrier. In the morning, you can use a lighter, gel-based moisturizer. At night, you might want something a bit richer and more nourishing to help your skin repair itself while you sleep. Finally, the most critical step of all, especially for your morning routine: sunscreen. If you're not using sunscreen every single day, you're basically undoing all the hard work from your other products. Sun exposure is the number one cause of premature aging, dark spots, and of course, skin cancer. You need a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30, and you need to apply it generously every single morning, rain or shine, even if you're staying indoors. The UV rays can still penetrate through windows. Don't forget your neck, chest, and the backs of your hands. So, that's the outside job covered. Now, let's talk about the inside job: your diet. You truly are what you eat, and your skin is often the first place to show it. You can eat junk food all day and expect a fancy cream to magically erase the consequences. A healthy diet provides the building blocks your skin needs to be strong, resilient, and radiant. First, let's focus on foods rich in antioxidants. These are your skin's personal bodyguards, fighting off free radicals from pollution and UV rays that cause damage and aging. Where do you find them? Think colorful fruits and vegetables. Berries like blueberries and strawberries. Dark leafy greens like spinach and kale, and vibrant veggies like bell peppers and broccoli are packed with antioxidants like vitamins C and E. Vitamin C, as we mentioned, is crucial for collagen production, the protein that keeps our skin firm and plump. Next up, healthy fats. Don't be afraid of fats. The right kinds are essential for a healthy skin barrier. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as in walnuts and flax seeds, are incredibly anti-inflammatory. They can help calm irritated skin, reduce redness, and keep your skin supple and moisturized from within. If you struggle with dry skin or conditions like eczema, increasing your omega-3 intake can make a huge difference. Hydration is another non-negotiable. We moisturize on the outside, but we need to hydrate from the inside. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin cells plump and hydrated, which can minimize the appearance of fine lines. How much water? A good rule of thumb is to aim for around 8 glasses a day. But listen to your body. If your urine is dark yellow, you need to drink more. Herbal teas and water-rich foods like cucumber and watermelon also count towards your daily intake. Now, what about the things to limit? The big three culprits that can wreak havoc on your skin are sugar, dairy, and processed foods. High-sugar diets can lead to a process called glycation, where sugar molecules attach to your collagen and elastin fibers, making them stiff and leading to wrinkles and sagging. It can also spike your insulin levels, which can trigger inflammation and contribute to acne breakouts. Try swapping sugary drinks for water and limiting your intake of sweets and refined carbs. For some people, dairy can also be a major acne trigger. It contains certain hormones and inflammatory substances that can clog pores and cause breakouts. If you suspect dairy might be an issue for you, try cutting it out for a few weeks and see how your skin reacts. There are so many great dairy-free alternatives available now for milk, cheese, and yogurt. Finally, highly processed foods, which are often high in unhealthy fats, sugar, and salt, can promote inflammation throughout your body, and that includes your skin. This inflammation can manifest as redness, puffiness, and acne. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods as much as possible. Think of it as feeding your skin from the inside with real, nutrient-dense ingredients. So, let's put it all together. Imagine this. You start your day by gently cleansing your face, followed by a vitamin C serum to protect and brighten. You lock that in with a lightweight moisturizer and then, most importantly, apply your daily SPF 30. For breakfast, you have a bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and walnuts, fueling your body with antioxidants and healthy fats. Throughout the day, you sip on water. At night, you double cleanse to wash the day away. Apply your retinol serum to encourage cell renewal. And finish with a nourishing cream to repair your skin barrier while you sleep. Your dinner consists of grilled salmon with a big side of roasted vegetables and leafy greens. When you combine this consistent, targeted skincare routine with a diet rich in skin-loving nutrients, you create an environment where your skin can truly thrive. The creams and techniques work on the surface to protect, repair, and enhance, while the diet provides the fundamental building blocks from within for healthy, resilient, and glowing skin. It has a holistic approach that delivers results far beyond what any single cream or diet could achieve on its own. It's not about perfection. It's about making conscious, healthy choices day after day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps you on your journey to your best skin ever. Give these tips a try. Be patient and watch the magic happen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. See you soon.